Now, Lady Apiwe says, let's choose the right ones because she was seen cooking and chores at her relative's funeral. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was her grandmother, but I don't know like from which side. And you can see she was cutting vegetables and wearing this traditional attire. She was also seen working in on the fire. I'm like, yes, when I girl, yes. Do not be succumbed by the standards as a Josie girl. You are a traditional wife. Honestly, like girl, it shows that man, even though she works hard, man, like yo, she still got that in her. And she's like, choose wisely, which I feel like she's still young for. But I know obviously that is a joke. But as she says, guys, gentlemen, choose wisely. You definitely want to see your wife cutting vegetables at your relatives' functions and not sitting in the car in your Mercedes Benz drinking cold drink the whole day and not doing anything. So I guess this is what men want and prefer. But times have changed. But guys, it's nice to see her in this element, Emakaya, where she's also involved, even though she's such a big celebrity. She doesn't act like it when she's home. She literally blends in with her family members and the relatives, that she's able to do the chores just like everybody else. She does not exclude herself because of her social status. She sees herself as one of them, and this is the one of the reasons why we love this girl so much. She is so real and she is so genuine. Like honestly, I feel like if it was another person, they would have never even touched anything. So shout out to her. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.